This video is on real conditionals, present and future. What is the present real conditional? The present real conditional is used to talk about general truths, habits, and things that happen again and again. The present real conditional is formed by using the present simple in both the if clause, which is also known as the condition, and the result clause, simply known as the result. Let's look at the first example. If I go to a friend's house for dinner, I usually bring a dish. In the if clause, we have the present simple of the word go, and then in the result clause, we have the present simple for the word bring. All right, next example. Eat some chicken soup if you feel sick. Now, I would consider this to be a general truth. In the result clause, we have eat some chicken soup, the present simple eat. If clause, if you feel sick. Present simple is feel. Now you can also use modals such as can, might, should, may, could, would, etc. in the result clause with present real conditionals. Let's take a look at this example. If you eat a lot of junk food, you might gain a lot of weight. So we use the modal might with the present simple of gain in our result clause. What is the future real conditional? The future real conditional is used to talk about what will happen under certain conditions. Now the future real conditional is formed by using the present simple in the if clause and the future with will or be going to in the result clause. Let's look at our examples. If I play football every day, I will become a better player. Okay, we have the will become in our result clause on the condition that you play football or that I play football every single day. Next example. You will receive high marks in class if you study every day. You can also use the word when or whenever instead of if for both present real conditional and future real conditional. Instead of an if clause, we call this a when clause. Take a look at the first example. When you take care of yourself, you will feel better. Next example. You become better at English when you practice every day. So guys, take a look at exercise 1. In this exercise, what I want you to do is I want you to circle, if you can, circle the result or identify the result and underline the if or when clause. Also, if you could tell me if it is present real conditional or future real conditional, that would be great. So go ahead and pause the video and then press play when you're ready to go over the answers. Okay, for the first sentence, I go to the Cheesecake Factory when I want dessert. Okay, we have a result here. I go to the Cheesecake Factory. Our when clause, when I want dessert. This is going to be present real conditional. This is a habit or something that you do over and over again. Next sentence. If the weather is nice, I will run in the park. We have our if clause, if the weather is nice. The result is in the future you will run in the park. Well, this is future real conditional. Okay, in exercise 2, I want you to take a look at the verb at the end of each sentence and fill in the gap. Tell me if it is present real conditional or future real conditional. You'll have to use the right tense. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready to go over the answers. All right, first answer, if Harvard University accepts me, I will attend school there. So we're going to use future tense, I will attend, because you haven't gotten into Harvard yet. You have to get accepted first. So we're going to use the future real conditional. Second sentence. If you arrive 10 minutes after class starts, you are late. Well, here we have present simple. So we know that this has to be present simple. Okay, in Q Skills 3, Reading and Writing, Unit 1, page 23, in Exercise A, I want you to underline the if or when clause and circle the result clause, just like we did in the practice exercise. Press pause, and when you are ready to go over the answers, press play. Okay, guys, take a look at the answers for Activity A. Now, let's move on to Activity B. You're going to complete each sentence with the correct form of the verb in parentheses. Here, there may be more than one correct answer. Pause the video, take a few minutes to do this exercise, and press play when you're ready to continue and go over the answers. All right, here are the answers for Activity B on page 23. Okay, in the last activity, C, complete each sentence with your own ideas. Now the answers may vary. Now I want you to get really creative with this. Pause the video and take about 5 minutes, and then we'll go over the ideas that I have. All right, these are some answers that I have, and the answers will be a little different than yours. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Now, for additional practice, you can go online to the LMS and practice real conditionals, future and present. Thank you.